Every year, more than 1.7 billion used tires are dumped in landfills and dump sites around the world. And to make it worse, more than 400 million tons of plastic is produced annually, with a large percentage ending up in landfills, rivers, and oceans. This is an ecological time bomb, slowly consuming our beautiful world. But from this disaster comes a beautiful opportunity for all of us. So, how do we save the world from rubber and plastic pollution? It starts with an idea. Then comes the planning and design and the quest to create something new and revolutionary. Then comes the manufacturing and testing, with months of meticulous research and development to fine-tune every part of the process. Recycling rubber and plastic is not a clean job, but it leaves behind a clean world. Our technology is designed to provide a sustainable, circular recycling economy with zero waste. It delivers environmental remediation, transforming waste into products that serve people and industries. It is scalable and modular, easily transportable, and ready to create an ongoing stream of renewable energy. It is a technology where nothing goes to waste and everything is reused. A technology that delivers a very healthy revenue stream for participants and many One Small Town projects. A machine so robust and effective, we called her Ugly Betty. All the hard work has been done. Now it's up to us to clean up our towns and our world. And this is where you come in. This is crowdfunding with real community benefits, where you as a donor and token participant can share in the rewards of our recycling breakthrough technology. We are crowdfunding $1.8 million with our technology tokens to build 10 Ugly Betty units within a world-class recycling facility. This factory will process on average 1,800 tons of rubber per month, preventing mountains of waste from polluting our environment. For transparency, we provide a detailed participation prospectus on our website that outlines the project, the technology, and how rewards are distributed. So, go to onesmalltown.org, make a donation by getting as many technology tokens as you can, and let's really start cleaning up our world.